Hello students, we have a arithmetic sequence and series problem for you. Remember, a sequence is just a set of numbers, a series is where you add them up. So here we have a word problem for you. Michael has a jar and he puts 5 cents in it the first day of the month, 7 cents the second day, 9 cents the third day. He continues like this for 24 days. We want to know how much money Michael has in his magic jar after 24 days. Here we have a problem where we're trying to add up. We're trying to create the series first, and then we try to create the sequence first, and then we try to add up it as a series. So we have the first day here, so our T1, if you want to call it that, 5 cents. I'm just going to use 5 or 5 cents there. Second day, it's going to be this. So that means the common difference is going to be 2 cents. So it's going to grow by 2 cents, 2 cents here, 2 cents. The only days you can check work for 2 cents. Often when we want a sum, we'll want to find the first term and the last term, because remember we have the sum equation here. The sum of all n terms is going to be the number of terms times the first plus the last divided by 2. Sometimes they'll put this 2 underneath the n. This is just like an average of the first day and the last day, and then multiplied by the total number of days. It's a very reasonable formula. For example, let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 days. If you add up this one, the first and the last, you're going to get 6. Half of that is 3. So these two average out to 3. These two average out to 3. This averages out to 3. So it's a way of actually creating the sum really easily. So we need the number of terms. We have that. 24 days, counting the first one and the second. We need the first day. We've got that. We don't know the last terms. Let's see if we can calculate it. We're going to erase this here and just calculate it using our basic formula. Tn is equal to the first term, T1 or A, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. In this case, the first day is 5, plus the number of days 24. Subtract 1, we get 23. And the common difference is 2 cents. So that's going to be 5 plus 46, or that's going to be 51. So that means the last day, if I have to put this right in here in the question, T24 is going to be equal to 51 cents. We're still dealing with cents here, 51 cents. Now we've got the first day and the last day, and we have the common difference. Let's use our sum formula here. First day is 5, so it's 5 plus 51. We're dealing in pennies here, divided by 2 times the number of days, 24. Easiest way here is just to chop this into here. We're dealing with 12. This and this is 56. I'm getting 672. That's pennies, of course. You're going to have to move the decimal over there, make it into dollars. So 672. There's your answer. This is not one of those problems where you can just look at one of the answers and eliminate it really quickly. They're all in the right range of possibilities. So you have to walk through the problem and try to figure it out. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.